In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Amazon affiliate link into GoDaddy website. Before we start, have two things ready: access to your GoDaddy account and the exact Amazon affiliate link you want to use. Your affiliate link should already include your unique tracking information, so clicks and qualifying purchases are properly credited. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type GoDaddy and press Enter. From the results, click the official GoDaddy website. On the GoDaddy homepage, sign in to your account using your credentials. Keep your login details private and, if prompted, complete any security verification. Once you're in, look to the top right of the screen and click your account username. From that menu, choose My Products. This takes you to a dashboard listing everything connected to your account. Find the specific website you want to work on and click it to open the site editor. Give the editor a moment to load. Inside the editor, look to the top right for a plus icon. Click that plus sign to add something new to your site. You'll see options for different types of content and pages. For this task, choose the option labeled Link to External Website. This creates a navigation item that points to a URL outside your site, which is ideal for affiliate links because visitors can quickly jump straight to the product or storefront you're promoting. Next, you'll see fields to define the link. In the link title box, type a clear, concise label that your visitors will immediately understand. For example, you might use Amazon, Shop on Amazon, or a product-specific title. Keep it short but descriptive so it looks good in your navigation. In the website URL field, paste your Amazon affiliate link exactly as you copied it from your affiliate tools. Make sure it begins with HTTPS and includes your tracking parameters without extra spaces or characters. Avoid modifying the structure of the link, since changing or trimming parameters can break tracking. If you're pasting from a document, double-check that no hidden formatting came along with it. When everything looks right, click Create Link. GoDaddy will save your changes and add the new link to your site's navigation. That's it. Your Amazon affiliate link is now connected to your website and ready for visitors to use. As a best practice, ensure your site includes a clear affiliate disclosure and complies with applicable program policies and local regulations. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit any step if you need a quick refresher.